Hi guys, currently at Princess Auto. I'm gonna see if they have any deals and maybe show you some of the stuff I like buying there. So enjoy. I always find it tend to buy specialty tools here. Pretty cheap. Good selection. A lot of pullers, bearing separators. Things you don't need that often. Find I get a lot of my welding supplies here. Not the greatest prices, but they do have everything. Obviously it's best to catch everything on sale here. Different connectors for welders. Wire brushes. TIG accessories here. I guess they have slightly better clamps over here versus the regular power fist ones. Extension cords for welders. Definitely bought this ground cable to relocate the battery in my car. Cheap option versus regular wire. Can't say I've ever used any of their welding helmets here. Stick with the name brand stuff for that. Soldering irons. Kind of have their air tools here, nailers. Yeah, this stuff's pretty expensive when it's not on sale. I'll definitely take you down the sale aisle in a second. Sandblasting stuff. Bench vise. Definitely have their rams on my tubing bender and my engine hoist. Classic $80, $100 for one. Bench grinder, $85. Tumbler, $60. Can't say I've seen this thing before. Concrete saw, $300. 14-inch. Hose reel's not bad. $199. Cabinet doesn't look too bad. Pegboard cabinet. Can't mess that up. There's a good selection of air fittings here. When I was doing my compressor, I had to buy a bunch of weird fittings. Convert this to that. I think I came back here 6-7 times, but then they have dryers and regulators and not too bad for the price, especially here in Canada. I had to buy one of these. Compressor shut off. More airlines. Fittings. They actually carry some decent airlines. Definitely have to feel the quality of the rubber. And you get them on sale. Like this one's Not bad. 3/8 line for $69, 150 feet. Yeah. All their sanding stuff here is pretty quick, cheap as well. Actually, just remembered I gotta buy some buffing compound and buffing wheels because I have a set of rims that I want to polish. So maybe one of these. Some name brand tools. We got channel locks. Obviously, price is better when they go on sale. Actually, I've never seen this one before. The speed grip. Somebody pulled it out. Press. I like these magnetic holders since I mount all my tools on the wall. This one's really good, but it's $25 for one magnet. Where these ones are 3 magnets for $19. Not as good, but a lot cheaper. Like their socket organizers. I have those for my sockets. And then my overflow, I use these guys. And then you can actually move them onto the other ones. So you could have like a 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive all on the same strip. And once again, I just have that on the wall at home. Pegboards, yeah, all pretty standard. All for your tools, safety equipment, bags, electrical stuff. A lot of ratchets. They have Titan, Power Fist, and then their special Pro Point brand. Can't say I've ever used any of them. Soccer handle. Allen keys, Allen sockets, nut drivers, wrenches, trailer lights here, all different sizes, all shapes. And then they have a bunch of the other wiring. Find in the back they have a hodgepodge of stuff back here, all weird. To me, none of it really makes sense because like they have aisles that have all these tools anyways. Gloves. Yeah. Copper anti-snore straps, set of 2. Weird. Socks. Random clothing. And then you got a toilet brush. All very reasonable. Sports bottles. Camel lunchbox. Jug. Duct tape. Weird electronics. Mousetrap. Super glue. Yeah, just so weird back here. TV wall mounts. Ball balance chair. $48. Dog toys. More dog toys. Phone stuff. Car audio. Phone holders. Pens. Toy of the year. I don't know how that's the toy of the year, but I guess it is. Rotating display. I actually have blank CDs and DVDs here. I remember a time when it was, I think, $3 or $4 for one blank CDR. Not even a RW rewrite. This thing is 20 bucks. 14 for the 50 pack. DVRs, DVDs. Or look at that, 100 pack, 20 bucks. He still has a DVD player. I don't even know. But they're here. All specialty tools. Pretty much have everything. Big sock. So I ended up buying the PB Blaster, so that was $7.23 for the combo pack. Never used the lubricant. I've always used the nut buster. Should be good. And then I bought 4-inch buffing wheel since I have those rims to polish. Hopefully that'll be alright. Should be good. And then the last, to go with the wheel, I bought the compound kit. Made in the USA, surprisingly. The wheel is not. But that was it. Total shopping haul was $44. Not too bad. I didn't find anything super exciting today. It was actually fun going through those back aisles. I normally never do, but yeah, they got a lot of weird, as seen on TV stuff, overstock, weird old stuff. So that was pretty good. I like that. And then yeah, got a couple things I needed. So hope you enjoyed. I'll see you for maybe the next one. Maybe we'll do, I don't know, what other stores I go to? Home Depot? I don't know.